The controversy that has been plaguing the Philippines these days is the non-inclusion of the representative of the Philippines in the recently concluded Miss Universe. My opinion, there were judges who made those decisions of who should be included in the top 20, in the top 10, and in the top 5, and eventually the Miss Universe. Now, we are watching the proceedings on televisions, and a lot of those things that are happening, we may not be aware what's going on. In my honest opinion, I think the selection of the top five for the Miss Universe should have been mentioned the qualities of each one and the backgrounders of each one and how far they have come to reach the final five. In the previous telecasts that were made in covering the Miss Universe, it has been a tradition since when the first time that I saw this telecast in 1972. There was always a summary of how the girls have made it to the top 10 or top 5, just so the viewers will have an idea how each of the girls have shaped up to be in that position of being in the top 10 or in the top 5. But in the recent one, the 2023 search for Miss Universe have failed to do that. There was never any mention about how the girls made it to the top 10 or even to the top 5. In fact, during the question and answer portion, there were a lot of things that were missed out of being asked exactly what are the advocacies of the girls and how they look at the situation in a worldwide scenario, and those were missed out, and we never got the chance to really see the girls in their pressured moment. And that particular moment in the search for this girl who won the Miss Universe in the person of Miss Nicaragua, we never had the chance to see the other side of her talent, her wit, but yet she is gorgeous, beautiful. She walks elegantly with her a la Virgin Mary gown. But just the same, our representative Michelle D never missed a bit, not even once. She was able to walk and really strut herself and probably won the attention of the judges. But the take that I'm making here is how far are the judges are able to make those decisions? Are they the only people who makes the decision? Are the judges the only people making those decisions? Or is there any influence coming from the new owners of the franchise? In my honest opinion, I think there were two other girls that should have been in the top 5. And in my honest opinion, I think Miss Philippines, Michelle D, should have been in the top 3. Talent, her advocacy, her gown, and the way she struts herself, she belongs there. And I'm not saying that Miss Nicaragua doesn't deserve it. I'm saying that Miss Thailand and Miss Philippines should have been the top 3. Just an honest opinion, and I'm being very objective about it. Thank you for listening.